add salt and pepper to it. Oops. Yeah, okay, let's go. Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to make koobide kebab. It's a Persian kebab. Now what do we have here? I prepared the onions with this one, and now as you can see it has some water in it, and I have to drain all the water, onion water, what do you call it? I put my onions in drainer and draining all the water they have. I use this much meat, if you can. Okay, I drained a lot of water and blood from this paste, and I massaged it till it becomes consistent, you know, and you should do the same. It should be consistent enough to stay on these skewers. Adding salt also is a main ingredient to make it consistent. I don't know how I did it, but I made one and it's consistent enough. As you can see, it sits perfectly on the skewer.